Hi, this is Sai Prasad. Welcome to my channel. In this video, imperative sentence is going to be explained. Before of it, let me ask one question. What is a sentence? Sentence is a group of words which gives a complete meaning or sense. The definition of sentence has been explained in the topic of subject and predicate. If you haven't watched till now, please watch it. Do you know on what basis sentences are classified into? Based on its functioning in the context, sentences are classified into four types. It has been explained in the topic subject and predicate. The link has been given in description box. Sentences are classified into four types. What are they? 1. Statement sentence. It is also called as declarative sentence or assertive sentence. 2. Imperative sentence. 3. Interrogative sentence. 4. Exclamatory sentence. The first one, statement sentence, has been explained. The link has been given in description box. If you haven't watched it, please watch it. Now let us discuss the second one, imperative sentence. What is imperative sentence? Imperative sentence is one which expresses a command or a request or a wish or prayer or greeting or suggestion or advice. It means if a sentence expresses a command or a request or a wish or a prayer or a greeting or a suggestion or an advice, such a sentence is called as an imperative sentence. Let me explain with examples. Imperative sentences generally start with verbs. There is no subject. Subject may be understood. For example, stop talking. Here the subject you is understood. It means generally 90% imperative sentences start with verbs. 90% only. But 10% exception cases are there. When there is no subject in imperative sentence, subject is understood according to the context. For example, stop talking. It is an order. In this sentence, stop verb. The sentence is ended with exclamation mark. Observe it. In this sentence, subject is not mentioned. According to the context, you is understood. Let me explain with some more examples. Let us see the first one, orders. An order that contains one or two words are called as short order. It ends with exclamation mark. It means if an order contains one or two words, it is called as short order. Short order always ends with exclamation mark. Then let me explain with examples. See the first one, stop talking. The sentence is started with verb stop. So it is an order. Then what kind of order it is? This order contains two words. One, stop, two, talking. And this order ends with an exclamation mark. Based on these features, it is called as a short order. See the second one, shoot. The sentence is started with verb shoot. So it is an order. Then what kind of order it is? This order contains only one word shoot and it ends with an exclamation mark. Based on these features, this order is called as a short order. Next, third one, get out. The sentence is started with the verb get. So it is an order. Then what kind of order it is? This order contains only two words. One get, two out. And it ends with an exclamation mark. Based on these features, it is a short order. Next, fourth one. Shut up. The sentence is started with the verb shut. So it is an order. Then what kind of order it is? This order contains only two words. Shut up. Two words. And it ends with an exclamation mark. Based on these features, it is a short order. Till now we have seen short orders. Then what is about long orders? Let us see. An order that contains more than two words are called as long order. It ends with full stop. What does it mean? It means if an order contains more than two words, it is called as a long order. Long orders always end with full stop. Let me explain with examples. First one, get out from the class. The sentence is started with verb get. So it is an order. Then what kind of order it is? Let us see. This order contains more than two words. Actually, how many words are there in it? Get one, out two, from third word, the fourth one, class fifth one. Totally five words are there. It means more than two words. And this order ends with full stop. Based on these features, this order is called as a long order. Next, second one. Post this letter. The sentence is started with a verb post. So it is an order. Then what kind of order it is? Let us see. This order contains three words. What are they? Post, first word, this, second word, letter, third word. Totally three. And this order ends with full stop. Based on these features, it is a long order. Next, fourth one. Don't make noise. The sentence is started with a verb do. So it is an order. So it is an order. Here, do helping verb, make main verb. Then what kind of order it is? This order contains three words. Don't, one word, make, second word, noise, third word. Totally, this order contains three words. And this order ends with full stop. Based on these features, it is a long order. Next, fourth one. Don't talk in the class. The sentence is started with verb do. So it is an order. Then what kind of order it is? How many words does this order contain? Let us see. Don't, first word, talk, second word, in, third one, the, fourth one, class, fifth one. This order contains five words. It means more than two words. And this order ends with full stop. Based on these features, it is a long order. Till now we have seen short orders and long orders. Let us see requests. First one, please come regularly. Before it is going to be explained. Let me say one thing to you. In requests, the word please appears at the beginning of the sentence or at the end of the sentence. If the sentence does not contain the word please at the beginning of the sentence or at the end of the sentence, it is not called request. It is considered as an order. Remember it. Now, let us see the first example. Please come regularly. The sentence is started with the word please. By seeing the word please, immediately we can understand that it is a request. Requests always end with full stop. Second one, close the door please. The sentence is a request. How do we know? The sentence contains a word please. By seeing the word please in the sentence, we can conclude that it is a request. Requests always end with full stop. Observe it. Next, third one. Please help me. This is a request. How do we know? The sentence contains the word please. Based on this, it is called a request. Requests always end with full stop. Next, fourth one. Wash your hands, please. It is a request. How do we know? The sentence contains the word please. Based on this one, it is called a request. Requests always end with full stop. Now, let us see wishes. First one, may God bless you. You know the meaning of it. Before it is explained, let me say one thing to you. If a wish contains a subject, it is preceded by may helping verb. Of course, may is called as a modal auxiliary verb, and wishes always end with an exclamation mark. See the first one, may God bless you. In this sentence, God subject. The helping verb may is written before the subject God. Bless is a main verb. It is a wish, so it is ended with an exclamation mark. Next, second one. Best of luck. It is also a wish, but it does not have subject. So, may helping verb or modal auxiliary verb cannot be written in the sentence. Once again, I am repeating or reminding you, if a wish contains subject, it is preceded by helping verb or modal auxiliary verb may. Otherwise, may helping verb is not written in the sentence. We have seen such thing in the second example. Observe it. See the third one. May you live long. In this sentence, you subject. May helping verb or modal auxiliary verb. The helping verb may is written before the subject you. It means the helping verb may is preceded by subject you. Live, main verb. The sentence is ended with an exclamation mark. It means wishes always end with an exclamation mark. Next, fourth one. May you be happy and prosperous. In this sentence, you subject. May helping verb or modal auxiliary verb. Be main verb 1. And this wish is ended with an exclamation mark. Observe here, this wish contains subject you. So, helping verb may is written before the subject you. Next, fifth one. Happy journey. It is a wish of somebody. So, it is ended with an exclamation mark. This wish does not have subject. So, the helping verb may is not written. Oh God, please help me. It is a prayer. Prayers always end with an exclamation mark. Remember it. Now, let us see greetings. First one. Good morning. It is a greeting. Greetings always end with an exclamation mark. Nice to meet you. Observe it. It is a greeting. So, it ends with an exclamation mark. Next, third one. Pleased to see you. It is a greeting. So, it ends with an exclamation mark. Fourth one. Good evening. It is also a greeting. So, it ends with an exclamation mark. Next, fifth one. Dear sir or madam. It is a greeting. So, it ends with an exclamation mark. Now, let us see the difference between suggestion and an advice. First, let us see what suggestion is. For example, if you say to your equals or elders in age or rank or designation something that is it is better for him or her to do, it is called as suggestion. Next, let us see what advice is. If you say to your youngers are not equals in age or rank or designation something it is better for him or her to do, it is called as advice. Let me explain with examples. Before the examples are explained, let me say one point to you. Should. It is a helping verb as well as a modal auxiliary verb. Should is always used to express advice as well as suggestions. Now, see the first example. You should work hard. Advice and suggestions are always ended with full stop. In this example, you subject should helping verb or modal auxiliary verb. Work main verb 1. It is in active voice. Here, is it a suggestion or an advice? How do we know? It depends on the relation between the speaker and the listener, as well as the writer and the reader. Suppose you said these words to your children or to your younger brother or to your younger sister or to a person who is not equal in designation or rank or in age, then it is called as an advice. Suppose the same words were said to somebody who is elder than you or who is equal to you in age or in rank or in designation, it is called as a suggestion. Do you understand? It depends on the relation between the listener and the speaker, as well as the reader and the writer. Next, second example. You should focus on your studies. In this sentence, you subject should, modal auxiliary verb or a helping verb. Focus, main verb 1. The sentence is ended with full stop. Observe it. It means suggestions and advice both end with full stop only. One more point. The verb focus is always followed by on preposition. Next. Now, is it an advice or suggestion? How do we know? It depends on the relation between the speaker and the listener, as well as the reader and the writer. For example, you said the same words to your children, or to your younger sister, or to your younger brother, or to a person who is not equal in age or designation or rank, then it is called as an advice. Suppose the same words were said by you to somebody who is equal in age or in rank or in designation, or to your elders, then it is called as a suggestion. Do you understand? Now, third one. He should help his mother. In this sentence, he subject, should helping verb or modal auxiliary verb, help main verb 1. The sentence is in active voice. Here, should is used to express an advice or a suggestion. You know how to find out whether it is a suggestion or an advice. Next, fourth one. The management should publish this. In this sentence, the management subject should helping verb or modal auxiliary verb. Publish main verb 1. The sentence is ended with full stop, because maybe it is a suggestion or an advice. You know how to decide whether it is a suggestion or an advice. Next, fifth one. She should practice it. In this sentence, she subject, should helping verb or modal auxiliary verb. Practice main verb 1. The sentence is ended with full stop. Based on these features, you can understand maybe it is an advice or a suggestion. Have you seen the spelling of practice? Practice. Se indicates a verb. Practice. Ce always indicates a noun form. I think you understand how to find out whether it is an advice or a suggestion. Next, let sentences. Imperative sentences also start with let. After let, there should be an object. Lastly, there should be a full stop. After the object, we must not use the preposition to. We must use a plain infinitive. It means the sentences that are started with let is called as let sentences. Let is a verb. It is a V1 form. It means present tense verb. Let means allow. After the verb let, immediately object or object form is to be written. After the object, main verb one is to be written. Don't write after the object to preposition. It is wrong. It means after the object to infinitive is not written. Only plain infinitive is to be written. Let sentences are always ended with full stop. Do you know in which situations let sentences are used? To express proposals and requests, let sentences are used. Let me explain with examples. First one, let me sing a song. Here the sentence is started with the verb V1 let. So it is called as let sentence. Observe it, the let sentence is ended with full stop. Here, after the verb let, immediately me object. Of course, it is an object form is written. After the object me, V1 sing is written. In this context, sing main verb 1. It is a plain infinitive. Observe it. Whether it is a proposal or request, how do we know? It depends on the relation between the speaker and the listener, as well as the writer and the reader, and it depends on the situation also. Next, second one, let them die. The sentence is started with the verb let. Let means allow, so it is called as let sentence. Observe it, the let sentence is ended with full stop. After the verb let, immediately object them. Of course, it is an object form is written. How do we know whether it is a proposal or a request? It depends on the relation between the speaker and the listener, as well as the writer and the reader, and depends on the situation also. Next, third one. Let us start. The sentence is started with the verb let. So it is a let sentence. The word let is followed by as object form or an object. Observe it. Immediately, plain infinitive start is written. Observe it. Don't write to preposition after the object as. Next, fourth one. Let you and me do this work. The sentence is started with let. The sentence is started with the verb let. So it is called as a let sentence. After the verb let, immediately object. You, me, both are objects. They are in object form. Observe it. After the object, immediately main verb 1 do is written. It is a plain infinitive. Don't write to infinitive after the object. Observe it, this let sentence is ended with full stop. It is maybe a request or a proposal. It depends on the relation between the speaker and the listener, as well as the writer and the speaker. Maybe it is a request or a proposal. It depends on the relation between the speaker and the listener, as well as the writer and the reader, and depends on the situation also. Next, fifth one. Let him read this book. The sentence is started with the verb let. So it is a let sentence. It is ended with full stop. Observe it. After the verb let, immediately object him. Of course, it is an object form. After the verb let, immediately object him. Of course, it is an object form is written. Observe it. After the object, immediately plain infinitive read main verb 1 is written. Don't write two preposition after the object him. It is wrong. It means don't write to infinitive. Then you may get a doubt. What is to infinitive? 2 plus V1 is called as to infinitive. Without to preposition before the verb V1 is called as plain infinitive. Do you understand till now? If you have any doubts, please mention in comments box. If you feel it is useful information, please press like symbol and share it. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest updates. Thank you for watching my video.